One of the things that we're proposing to him is restoring the earned income tax credit that he talked about during his budget address. I think you all left that speech with the concept that that was going to be in his budget introduction. I know you were all equally as shocked as I was when you saw the details of that budget. It wasn't in there, and it wouldn't be in until 2014. So that is one of the things that we are addressing. This would give a tax cut in the budget that the people of New Jersey who qualify for that would earn. And in addition to that, all he has to do is recognize that his trickle-down economics have not worked. If he wants to sign that millionaire's tax, it is not an increase in tax revenue. It is a direct shift off of property taxes that benefit the vast majority of families in New Jersey.